Hey there, and welcome to Ryan's tutorial about block components. In this tutorial, we'll explore the logic behind blocks and block families. You'll learn how to use Ryan's built-in block library, create your own blocks and libraries, and import DWG block files. Let's dive in. In Ryan, you can group elements and save them as a block into your block library. You can drag and drop blocks onto your canvas, creating multiple instances of the block. Each instance remains tied to its block definition, so editing any block will affect all instances in your model. There are 3 ways to work with blocks in Ryan. Use Ryan's built-in block library, import DWG blocks, or create your own blocks from scratch. Let's start by reviewing how to use Ryan's built-in block library, which contains over 3,000 blocks. Open the block panel and move to the Libraries tab, where you will find your organization libraries and Ryan libraries. Type in the name of the item you're looking for, then simply select an option and drag and drop it onto your canvas. Items with a purple tag are called block families. They offer multiple views of a given block, a top view for floor plans, and front and side views for elevations. You can access the block family from both the block panel and, once you click on the block, from its property panel to swap the block with a different view. Other than using Ryan's block library, you can create custom blocks from scratch. Start by drawing the elements you'd like to turn into a block, and check out our drawing tools and style tutorials to learn more about how to do that. Select them and click on the block command in the bottom toolbar, or use its shortcut. Your new block is called Block 1 by default and is added to your block library in the left side panel. Double-click on its name to rename it, and that's it. You can now drag and drop the block onto your canvas as an instance. In Ryan, you can also create blocks that are hosted within a wall, so that the opening blocks, such as this window, punch a hole in the wall automatically. To do so, double-click on the block or use the edit command. You'll find a white dot that is the block's insertion point. Click on it and swap between it to the line insertion on the top right panel. Now locate the line along your opening block and click Done. That's it. Your opening block will automatically punch a hole within Ryan walls. Lastly, other than using Ryan's block library or creating your own blocks, you can also import DWG and DXF files containing blocks to use in your models. Let's demonstrate importing a DWG file to create a custom block library. When opening your file, help Ryan assess its scale according to the blue line in the preview. Once in your model, ensure the scale is accurate and rescale as needed by using the scale command and applying it to your whole model. For more step-by-step info about importing and scaling, check out our importing and exporting tutorial. The DWG blocks you imported are recognized by Ryan and added automatically to your model's block library. You can now drag and drop them on the canvas and edit their style like you would with any other Ryan block. Keep in mind, you can turn a model into a custom block library that you can then use from other models and share with your team if part of an organization. Rename your model, click on the Share button, and swap to the Libraries tab. Click on the toggle to publish your library. It will now be accessible from other models as well. If you go to your workspace, you'll notice that it now carries a purple tag, indicating it's a block library. You'll be able to use the blocks from this library from any other model in your workspace. And that's everything about using Ryan's block libraries, creating your custom block libraries, and importing DWG blocks into Ryan. Check out our YouTube channel for more useful, hands-on tutorials, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next Ryan tutorial.